All right, just hours ago, the law protecting your child's safety shifted in favor of sex offenders in National City. They will now be allowed to hang out where your kids play, like parks and schools. 10 News reporter Emily Valdez is now live in National City. And Emily, local lawmakers hope to take this all the way to the state level.
Yeah, not really happy about it at all. Now, this ban has been in effect for 9 years. Like you said, sex offenders could not come here to parks, schools, places where you find kids. The problem is police can no longer legally enforce this ordinance.
Well, that's crazy. I mean, I wouldn't want my kids around sex offenders.
This father not too happy that Tuesday evening the National City Council voted to repeal its ban on sex offenders being within 300 feet of places where kids congregate. We're talking about places like parks or schools.
We have about 90 sex offenders in National City.
National City Police Chief Manny Rodriguez says the problem is the National City Ordinance, which is much stricter than state sex offender laws, can no longer be enforced.
As soon as we knew of the court's decision, we stopped looking at doing any type of enforcement.
In April, the Supreme Court refused to hear a case which reaffirmed a lower court ruling that banned city ordinances on sex offenders like the one in National City.
This is our city and it's not to be governed. I don't think it should be mandated from Sacramento that how we do it.
So now police can only enforce state laws restricting where sex offenders live. They can visit anywhere.
The paramount in all this, what we can't lose sight of, is we want to keep the kids safe.
So city leaders are hoping to urge lawmakers to make the state laws a little tougher. Now, we do have to have a second reading of that bill, the repeal, and then we have to wait 30 days for it to fully take effect. In National City, Emily Valdez, 10 News.